3-in-1 handheld laser welding machine. One machine can realize welding, cleaning, and cutting functions. You can switch working modes freely according to applications. Stable welding metal performance make it a long life. Switch to the cleaning system with one button. Remove the welding components. Cleaning function can be started. To clean the large format, you should change correct focus lens module. To switch to cutting mode, adjust the red light to the center of the cutting head.